안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia again. Today we'll be making Hobak Namul. It's zucchini side dish. Namul refers to a wide variety of Korean side dishes, and they're mostly made with seasonal vegetables. There are certain ingredients that surprisingly go well with each other. Zucchini and shrimp, they go pretty well with each other, and I'll show you from now how to cook it. Let's start from making kelp stock. Here is the stock that I made an hour ago. When hydrated, the kelp will expand 3 to 4 times its size. Break the kelp and pour hot water over it, and we're going to set aside until it cools to room temperature. I'll be using 1 zucchini. Cut it lengthwise and then slice it in 1.5 centimeter thick. Do not slice it too thin because we want to create a texture of the zucchini. Thinly slice 4 cloves of garlic. And I want to add some more color to it, so slice half of the chili. Let's assemble the ingredients in a medium-sized pot. And today I'm using a cup of frozen medium-sized shrimp. Feel free to use smaller ones like cocktail shrimp. Then add the kelp stock to half submerge the zucchini and the shrimp. Sprinkle 1 big pinch of salt. And this is salted shrimp, saewoojeot. Let's add a little bit and it will taste awesome. Cover and let's bring it to a boil. This zucchini dish doesn't have to be stir-fried or prepared separately. We just combine almost everything all together in the pot, and then we're going to wait until the zucchini is sort of half cooked. Let's check the zucchini if it's cooked with skewer. It's still undercooked. It's time to add sliced garlic and red chili in the pot and cook for additional 3 minutes. Okay, now the zucchini looks translucent and the skewer easily passed through. Let's not overcook it. It tastes much better when zucchini is barely cooked. The shrimps are pink and it looks also cooked. Now turn off the heat and let's transfer it to a plate. Typical banchan, the side dishes in Korea are plated in a smaller plate, but I like to plate it in a bigger plate because this dish can be served as a single dish. The zucchini namul is finished. I love this kind of namul, the seasonal vegetable cooked in this way, because this is a great way to include the vegetable in my everyday meal. Since it has a little bit of shrimp, seafood, the veggies and everything like that in it, you can serve it with warm rice, or it can be served also as an entree. I hope you enjoy my zucchini recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again.